Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. Now, when we go to WhatsApp with the new Meta AI installed, if you check around, you're not going to see anywhere where you can actually turn off Meta AI on WhatsApp itself. So Meta has designed it that way, and you cannot have a button to remove Meta AI from your WhatsApp. Now, for some, they're going to uninstall WhatsApp and download an older version and use WhatsApp. However, we'll be using another method. We're going to be using WhatsApp Business. So basically, we'll be transferring our WhatsApp account into WhatsApp Business. So make sure you follow this video to the end so that you don't miss a step. It's very simple. So all you need to do is to go to the App Store and make sure you have WhatsApp Business on your device. And then after WhatsApp Business is downloaded, like we have it like so, you're going to open it. And now you're going to agree to continue. And then it's going to detect your phone number that is currently on your WhatsApp, and it's going to ask you if you'd like to use it or use a different number. So we're going to go ahead and use the same number we're using for our WhatsApp to proceed. And as you can see, your chat history and media will automatically be moved from WhatsApp Messenger to WhatsApp Business. So you don't need to be scared of losing any information as long as your WhatsApp is backed up. So we're going to click on use the number. And now currently it's actually transferring your data from your WhatsApp into your business account. Now, of course, it's business, but it doesn't matter. It's just going to transfer it. And here we get to put our username and our business. Now, of course, because it's not a business, you could select other business. Then you make sure that there are no emojis in the name and click continue. And now you can see you have your WhatsApp now in WhatsApp Business. Everything is intact, everything is installed, and your chats are also here. And if you check the search, you're not going to see Meta AI or anything like that. Even if you go to the settings, you're not going to see it. And that's so because Meta is not on WhatsApp Business, at least for now. So this is how to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. You can go ahead and use your WhatsApp without Meta AI using WhatsApp Business.